amazing, really amazing. Why? Because you look at a variety that was ready at the beginning of July.
Yep.
I don't need to say anything else. So nowadays, by the way, when I am evaluating, and Amanda, she is learning how to evaluate, you take a variety, and then you come, okay, you taste it, everything look nice, it is early and so on. Come 2-3 weeks later, take a look. This is our target. A variety that holds this way on the vine must be a good variety. Must be a good variety. For 1.5 months holding this way on the vine, it must be a good variety. And this is the earliest variety in the world. Earliest white variety in the world holding this way on the vine.